everyone, let's continue to do the third homework set, number 9. This row is frequency. One student gets score 0, 5 get score 1, 3 students get score 2. Okay, so the mean is this times this and this times this added together, then divided by how many students. So 1, 5, 3, 3, 7, 0. So we have 19 students. So 0 times 1 plus 1 times 5 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 3 plus 4 times 7. And 5 times 0 just 0. And divided by all added together. So is 1 student, 5 students, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7. Be careful, you need to use the parentheses, then enter. And the median, you all just line up, or you just use Excel. So we have 1 student get a 0, 5 get a 1. So you have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have 3 students get 2. So 2. And 3 students get score 3. For 4, you have 7 students. So 7. So no one gets score 5. Then choose this data set, enter. So it's 3. Number 10 you do by yourself. This will not be graded because there is no answer stored in the system. So I will have a look you explain right or not. You based on the definition of the median, mode, and the mean. Number 11. This simple data set already lined up. You see this is the smallest number, minimum. This is the biggest number, and the maximum. So mean, you just all average, right? You could copy this data set to the Excel. I have another video talk about how to copy paste this data set and remove the comma, and you can watch that video. Here we could just add together equals, then divide by how many numbers? 6. Enter. Now the median, we have total 6 numbers, so that's even number, right? 6. Then 26 and 28, these two numbers are right in the middle because you see 2 in front and 2 behind. So you add it together, 26 plus 28, then divided by 2. That's 27, the median. So 27, here is 26. Suppose I add one more number after the 30, while I add 31. We have total 7 numbers. So 7 is odd. Then this 28 is median, right in the middle. 3 numbers in front and 3 after, because I add another number bigger than the 30. And the mode, you see 28 happens 2 times and 28. The range we know is maximum minus minimum, is biggest number minus the smallest number. So is 9. Number 12. How many students took the test? So here you have 57, 58, 59 for the first class, right? The last one is 102. So you have for the STEM 5, you have 3 numbers. Here for the 6, you have 5. So 3 plus 5, 8. Here is 4, 12. 12 here is 5 numbers. Then 17. 17 here is total 3, right? 20. Now what's the lowest score? You see is 57. What's the highest score is 102. The mean on the test add up all together. So 57 plus 58 plus 59. Okay, so you just all add all together, you see. Or you could like this 70, 70, 70, you can just 70 times 3. The time is on your keyboard is shift 8. You see there is a star multiplication. And divided by how many students? We already know it's a 20, right? 20. We know range is maximum minus minimum. The biggest number minus the smallest number. Mid-range is minimum plus maximum divided by 2. Okay, so here is 102, the biggest, right? So 102, the biggest number, plus the smallest is 57 divided by 2. So 79.5. And number 13, the mean score on the test is only one student gets score 3, 3 students get 4. So this times this plus this times this, right? All added together. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus here 4 times 3, 12, plus here is 5, right? 5 times 1 plus 6 times 3 is 18, plus here 7 times 4 is 28, then here is 40 plus 18 plus 20. Then divided by how many students, the number of students. So this 1 plus 3 plus 1, 5. Here is total 17, then plus 4 is 21. So it doesn't say rounding. You can just copy everything here. And as I say, this you could just make it bigger, then you have to see all the numbers. And the median equals median. You just use Excel. Then you have 1, 3, right? You have 3, 4. So 4, 4, 4, right? Then 1, 5, and 3, 6, 6, 6, 6, comma, 7, 7, 7, 7. Then 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Then 9, 9. Then 10, 10. Okay, then enter. So you get a 7.